Hey guys, so today we're making buffalo chicken sliders, and you're going to need some Hawaiian sweet rolls, some ranch dressing, some hot sauce, some butter, and some shredded cheddar cheese, and chicken breast. I used about 3 chicken breasts, and the first thing you're going to want to do is cook your chicken. So right here, I'm just cutting the rolls in half and placing the bottom sides in the baking dish. You're going to do that to the entire package of Hawaiian rolls. Okay, so now I'm taking 1 cup of ranch and I'm going to put that into a bowl. Okay, then I'm going to take 1/4 cup of hot sauce, and you can do more or less depending on how spicy you want your sliders to be. And then I'm just going to mix that all together. You want your oven set at 350 degrees. Now, after your chicken is cooked, you're just going to shred it. And I tried a few different techniques to shred my chicken. I tried it with a fork, and then that didn't really work out too well. So then I just added the chicken into the bowl with the mixture that I had, and I used my electric mixer to shred it all up. And that seemed to work really good. once your chicken is all shredded, you're just going to take a scoop, about, scoopful, and put it on each roll. And I had some left over at the end, so I just added a little bit more to the ones that didn't really have that much. Okay, then you're just going to sprinkle each slider with some cheddar cheese. And once you're done doing that, you're just going to put the tops back on each slider. Then you're going to take some butter and melt it. I took about half a stick and microwaved it for about a minute and made it all melted. And then you're just going to brush the butter on top of the rolls. This is going to give them kind of like a crisp top. Then once they're ready, you're just going to pop them in the oven and set your timer to 20 minutes. And this is how they turned out when they were all finished. They were super good. These are really good for like the Super Bowl if you're trying to think of something to make for the Super Bowl. I served these as dinner one night and I just used corn for a side. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!